I've pulled apart this Janome, and what we've got here is the feed dogs were not lowering. They were not falling down when you went round. They were not pulling the fabric through. Fixed this by, this is not my machine, so I didn't actually know what was wrong with it, but this here engages the feed dogs from being up or not. So what we've done is, if I tilt the machine over and look from the underneath here, this screw here, if you put it through that hole there, you can actually take this out. It had been seized up because it wasn't used, it'd been in storage for quite some time. So if I take this one completely out, this whole bracket will fall out. Just bear with me here a second. Right, so this whole bracket comes out. And this was completely rigid. So basically what I've done is cleaned it up and just kept pulling on it until it actually worked. Put some oil on it and pulled it backwards and forwards. So then to put the machine, put it back in place, exactly the same as what I've done before. Turn it around to make sure it's in place, slot it into the slot, which is a bit difficult with the camera. There it goes in there, and then line it up. Maybe use your fingers to push that out of the way. Right, and up there. And then put the screw back in. And basically you should be able to pull this backwards and forwards when you've done that. Pop the screw back in. So just finishing off the screw here. Now, right, done. This needs to be able to go up and before it was sort of static. This in the back here, which I'll point with the screwdriver, needs to be oiled as well. So now it's actually happily, when I turn the hand wheel, going up and backwards, because before it was just going backwards and forwards in one place. Actually, I've got to put that under there. Sorry, I'll take that back. There. See how it's moving? And this is an old Janome, you know, like it was just given to me just to have a little look at, because it wasn't worth spending the money on a service, but they just wanted to use it because it had sentimental value. So there we go. How to fix the feed dogs from not working.